All right, that's great. Thank you, Taylor. Lincoln Public School nurses teamed up with UNMC's mobile unit today.
We're being trained on everything from ventilator management to trach care, suctioning. We did Narcan training today, and we did central line training today.
The goal was to help simulate real-life scenarios for school nurses. They were put in 2 different scenarios using mannequins that can simulate breathing, blinking, cardiac arrest, and even bleeding. Instructors left the nurses alone in a room while closely monitoring them to help recreate a real-life scenario.
We're not practicing like we would really do it out in the field. So by removing the instructor from that environment, it becomes really real for them, and they kind of buy in and start treating that simulator like it is a real patient.
Yeah, the mobile simulation required the nurses to treat a patient experiencing cardiac arrest and another having breathing issues. LPS says they have several students who have asthma and want their nurses to be fully prepared for critical situations. Coming up on the news tonight, back on the field, a Husker